Welcome to Blessed Music Academy. Uh, Today I want to talk about time signature. I've done that in my previous video, but I think somebody asked me to explain something, the difference between 6/8 and 3/4 timing. Because of that, I'm going to be doing time signature. Okay, time signature in music. Now, time signature is what gives music its rhythmic pattern. Without time signature, you cannot have beat in music. You cannot have a particular pattern in music. Every song carries a time signature, be it hip hop, classical, contemporary, reggae. All of them have time signature. Okay, time signature is a musical sign written at the beginning of the staff, and it tells the time, the movement of that particular music. There are two types of time signature. We have what we call simple time signature and compound time signature. Okay, simple time signature and compound time signature. These are the two types of time signature. I think it's best for us to look at this simple time signature, okay, because it will be easier for us to understand. Now, the 6/8, that's one of my fan asks, is a compound time signature. Okay, but I'm going to touch a bit on that, but I will dwell more on the simple time signature. Okay, now this time signature is common to some songs that you listen to. For example, we have what we call 2/2. Now, some people call it 2/2. It is not 2/2. Okay, the right pronunciation is 2/2. Okay, we have 3/4. We have 4/4. So I'm going to be explaining this. We have 2/2, 3/4, 4/4. Okay. Now, what this means, we also have 3/2. Okay, 3/2, and so on and so on. These are simple time signature. Now, if you, okay, in my previous video I've done what we call musical notes and symbol, where you have brief, semi-brief, meaning, crotchet, quiver, semi-quiver, demi-semi-quiver, hemi-demi-semi-quiver. Now, these are musical notes. Now, if you are conversant with this musical note, you will know that the beat of meaning is 2. Okay, the beat of meaning is 2. Now the Americans call it half note. Half note. That's what the American call it. Half note. Okay. Now, since the beat of meaning is 2, what we do here is 2 meaning beats in a bar. That is interpretation of this time signature. Okay, 2 meaning beats in a bar. 2 meaning beats in a bar. The interpretation of this is 3 crochet beats in a bar. Okay. 2 meaning beats in a bar. The upper figure tells you the actual duration of the notes. The actual duration of the notes. While the lower figure tells you the type of note. Now the type of note that you have is meaning. Okay? Now the upper figure tells you this note, since it's meaning, this is the duration. For example, if I draw my 5 lines and 4 spaces, so it's supposed to be straight, but I'm using this as an example. Okay, and then after my time signature, which is C, then I have my after my key signature, then I have my time signature. Let me say 2 2. Okay, 2 2. What it means that in each bar you must have 2 meaning beats. I have my bar here, so this is my meaning. This is my meaning. I close my bar. Okay? If I'm putting crochet, it must be 4 crochet. Because my meaning now becomes 1 beat. My crochets become half beat. And then I close my bar. This I have another meaning. Okay, that is the interpretation of this 2 meaning beats in a bar. So each bar, a bar is the space in between 2 bar lines. This is a bar line, this is a bar line, this is a bar line. This space here is called a bar or a measure. So in each of these measures, there must be 2 meaning beats, and that meaning becomes 1 beat. Okay, if you look at the actual beat or actual duration of meaning is 2 when you talk of musical note, but when it comes to a song that you have a meaning song, that meaning becomes 1 beat, and other note follows down below, becomes half, quarter, so on and so forth. So this is 1 beat. So you have 1 1, okay, half 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 half, 1 1, ba 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 ba. Okay, ta 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 ta. That is the interpretation of this 2 2. Same thing as 3 4. 3 4 means 3 crochet beats in a bar. Now this may confuse you because the actual beat of a crochet is 1. But the Americans call it quarter note. So this, we assume this is quarter. So the Americans call crochet quarter note, and that is why we are having 4 here. This is quarter. 3 crochet beats in a bar. What it means is that in each bar you must have 3 crochet beats. In each bar there must be 3 crochet beats. For example, let me change it to crochet, and that crochet song becomes, the crochet now becomes 1 beat. Okay, and then meaning becomes 2 beats. So 3 crochet, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, do you understand it now? So you have the 2 meaning beats. You just go this way, 1 2 1 2. That's how the song will be moving. 1 2 1 2. Why the 3 crochet to be moving? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we have 4 crochet beats in the bar. What that means in each of these bar there must be 4 crochet beats. Each of these bar there must be 4 crochet beats. Okay, now it's complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is how you get your time signature. Okay, so whenever you see 4, 4, know that is a 4 crochet beat in a bar. When you see a crochet, give crochet 1 beat. You see meaning, give it 2 beats. And then if you are going up, you see, even though they hardly use it now in music, what's it called, semi-brief, they hardly use it, even brief. What you will be seeing is meaning, crochet, quiver, semi-quiver. Now in crochet song, quiver becomes half beat, while semi-quiver becomes quarter beat. Okay, that is it. That is it for time signature. Now let me talk about one of the compound time signature that was said to be talked on by one of our fans. Says 6/8, I think, if I'm not mistaken. 6/8. Now, in compound time signature, the upper figure is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. And then the lower figure is divisible by 2. Okay? Now, for you to get the actual movement of this time signature, you have to divide 6 by 3, which is your 2. When you divide 6 by 3 is 2. Divide 8 by 2 is 4. So the actual movement is 2, 4. 2 crochet beats in a bar. 1, 2. 1, 2. That is the movement. 1, 2. Okay, that is the movement of 6/8. That is the movement of 6/8. It's a compound time. We also have 12/8. Okay, 9/8. All these are compound time. Compound time are divisible, the upper figure by 3, the lower figure by 2, to give you the actual movement. So in 6/8, the movement is 2, 4, 2 crochet beats in a bar. So each bar you must have 2 crochet beats. That gives you 1, 2, 1, 2. Actually, it's a quiver song. Okay, it's a quiver song, but that quiver you convert it to give you 2 crochet beats. Thank you. Please share the video, and tell me what you want me to do for you inside singing on the comment section. Share, and God bless you.